Hello everyone, let us solve the following. A cylinder and cone have bases of equal radii and are of equal heights. Show that their volumes are in the ratio of 3 is to 1. Okay, so very simple problem. Yes or no? What is given here? There is a cylinder and a cone. But what is particular about both of them? Here, the cylinder and the cone, both of them have bases of equal radii. Okay, that means their base radius is equal, right? And or of equal heights, both of them are having equal heights. Okay, so we need to show that their volumes are in the ratio of 3 is to 1, right? So we are denoting the radius of the cone as r and the height of the cone as h. Okay, this is the conical shape, right? And how can we find out the volume of the cone when radius and height are known? So it is nothing but 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, now again we are going towards a cylinder. Here what is given? The cylinder also has the same base radius and height. That's why we are taking the radius of the cylinder as r and height as h. Okay, so how can we find out the base radius and height of the cylinder are given? The volume of the cylinder is given as pi r square h. Okay, right? Now we know the volume of the cone, we know the volume of the cylinder. It is easy for us to find out the ratio now. So the ratio between the volume of the cylinder and the cone can be given as pi r square h is to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, so pi r square h is the volume of the cylinder, and 1 by 3 pi r square h is the volume of the cone. Here we must remember that both the cylinder and the cone have same base radius r and height as h. Okay, so further when we simplify, here pi r square h and pi r square h get cancelled. Okay, so here what is remaining here? 1 is to 1 by 3. Obviously it is in the ratio of 3 is to 1. Okay, so the volume, the ratio of their volumes, that means the ratio of the say volume of the cylinder and the cone when their base radius and heights are same is nothing but 3 is to 1. Hence proved. Okay, yes or no? We need to prove that only, no? Right? I think you have understood, right? Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe.